2026 Best Scooter Honda X Adv 750 top speed. The official factory estimated top speed for the 2026 Honda X Adv V750 is 168 kilometers per hour, approx 104 miles per hour. Key performance specs behind the speed engine: 745cc liquid-cooled, parallel twin-cylinder, SOHC. Power output: 57.8 HP 43.1 kW at 6,750 revolutions per minute. Torque 69 Nm 4750 RPM. Transmission: 6-speed dual-clutch transmission. DC. Note on real-world speed. While the manufacturer lists the official top speed near 168 km per hour, riders under optimal real-world conditions and depending on speedo error calibration frequently see digital speedometer readings push closer to 175 to 180 km per hour before hitting the electronic rev limiter. 2026 Honda X Adv 750. Comfort and Tech Cinco. HD display offers smartphone connectivity via the Honda Smartphone Voice Control HSVC system lighting. New twin-LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights DRL that now house the indicators for a cleaner look. Storage. A 212L underseat compartment fits a full-face helmet, includes a built-in LED light and a USB-C charger. Ergonomic seat has been redesigned for better comfort, approx 10% more padding, and easier ground reach with a height of 820mm or a lower 790mm option in some regions. Cruise control, now a standard feature for long-distance touring comfort. Technology and features: a 5-inch TFT display with Honda RoadSync connectivity, throttle-by-wire, a riding mode, system standard, sport, rain, gravel, and simplified indicator light controls. Functionality: 22-liter underseat storage with USB-C charging.